Hi, Henry. I received your emails. This is Professor Harmon here. I just wanted to walk through the course site and just take you through all the different units. And I need to know what you can and can't see because as of right now, I've noticed that you have no grades for the discussion board posts, and you also have not submitted, or you were unable to submit your work for Unit 1 and Unit 2. So when you go in, you should see all of the units on your course site for English 101. Okay? You should be able to click on each unit and be able to read what is expected of you for the week and go through. All right. When you click the discussion forum, you should be able to click on the discussion forum and you should be able to post. So let's go through here. Okay, you should be able to reply and hit reply. Okay, actually you can reply right to my initial post and just click reply and you should be able to write in the text box. So I'd be eager to know what you actually see. Written assignment, this is where you would submit your written assignment. Learning journal, this is where you would submit your learning journal. My dashboard looks a little different, right, because I'm the teacher and I have to grade them. But you should be able to click on each one and submit. Okay, so let me know what is happening on your end. We really need to get this figured out so you can get some credit for all of your work and to show your proficiency in the class. I mean, you probably have to reach out to tech support. It might be an issue with your browser, so you might consider I'm using Firefox, but you might consider, maybe using Chrome. I would try a different browser. That could be the issue. You might have some firewalls up. But just let me know what you see on your end. Okay, Henry? All right, I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.